In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Meta Ads Manager 2026. Give access to Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. From the official business site, click Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in your email and password, then click Login. If Meta asks for a quick security check, complete it to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard, which shows your campaigns, ad sets, and ads. From here, head to your ad account settings. You can get there from the left menu or the settings gear, depending on your layout. Inside settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Ad Account Roles. This is where you control who has access and what they can do. Click Add People. In the field that appears, enter the person's name or email address associated with their Facebook account. If they're already part of your business workspace, their name should appear as you type. If not, use the email they use on Facebook to make sure the invitation reaches the right person. Next, assign their role. Use the drop-down menu to choose the level of access they need. Analyst is read-only access, great for someone who just needs to view performance and reports. Advertiser allows creating and editing campaigns but not changing permissions or billing. Admin gives full control, including managing roles, billing, and account settings. If you're unsure, start with the least access required for their job and adjust later if needed. After selecting the appropriate role, click Confirm. You'll see the person listed under Ad Account Roles with the role you chose. If you manage multiple ad accounts, double-check you're editing the correct one by looking at the account name or ID at the top of the screen before confirming. That prevents giving access to the wrong account. A few quick tips to keep everything tidy and secure. Review your ad account roles periodically to remove anyone who no longer needs access, and keep billing control limited to trusted admins. If a collaborator's responsibilities change, you can return to this same section to update their role at any time. And that's it. You searched for Ads Manager, logged in, opened ad account settings, went to ad account roles, added the person, chose the right role from the drop-down, and confirmed. You've successfully given access to your Meta Ads Manager.